What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video with your boy Scooter. In today's video, if you have read by the title, yes, we are going to be doing another POV. I know how much y'all love these, and yes, we're going to do us another one today. Basically, just gonna drive, man. I got bored, and I love doing POVs. So I'm gonna bring y'all another POV just because I know how much y'all love them, and I know how much I love doing them. So with that being said, I'm not gonna talk y'all heads out because that's not what y'all here for. But y'all can see the lovely Camaro SS 2014 convertible, by the way, looking good as usual. And yeah, with that being said, let's jump straight into the video, no cap. So let's get in the car. And let's get her started up. Okay, cool. Let's hit the road. I know how much you guys love these videos. So I just felt like it was time to bring another one. And I felt like driving. You know, just to have fun. This is a form of having fun to me. Yes, sir. It's one of them days. Shooting little flames, okay. Shooting flames, not yet, but it's popping better. Like I said, man, I just like having fun, enjoying, you know. That's what we're gonna do today. We got this slow truck in front of us though, so I don't know. He going to get out of the way. We might have to zip around him. I can't see what's coming around this curve though, so I'm not gonna do that. Y'all stay safe out here. Don't do nothing crazy. This view right here is amazing. Like, look at this. Look at those trees and stuff. I don't know, it just looks so aesthetic. I know he riding pretty good though. Pause. I want y'all to eat me up in the comments. We'll get around him in a second, man. He cruising and stuff, and we in an area where I too much don't want to, you know, do all that crazy stuff. But let me know how y'all day been going, man. Comment down below how your day been. You know, my day has been pretty good. I can't complain. Blessed, you know. I cannot complain. It's been pretty good. I'm not gonna wait on this light. I would sit there and wait, but I'm definitely not gonna wait. Let's see. Usually I sit there and wait on them lights, man, but I ain't finna do that today. I don't feel like waiting. Looks like this light up here is red too, so. Oh, man. Got them folks out there at school and stuff doing what they do. Yeah, no. Don't do that at home, guys. That light is gonna turn red. I'm not gonna make that one, so I'm just gonna hit this turn. I see the popo. I see the popo. You know something funny that I found? Watch this. I just like doing this. I don't know if this tears the car up, but hold up. I gotta get in the lower gear. Like this right here where it's gonna pull a little bit more. It's like it make the car jerk. I don't know. I just like doing that. Oh, man. Let me know how y'all feel about this weather in the comments down below, man. This weather has been completely insane. There's been some crazy weather. I'm not gonna lie. Crazy weather. Me personally, I hate the cold weather. I hate it. This is not my season. This is when I stay inside and I don't do nothing. But that shows how much I love y'all, man. Because I'm out here in the cold, recording, getting y'all content, you know. And I hate the cold. I do. I hate the cold, bro. Like, me and the cold don't get along. Me and the cold, like, enemies, you know. Think they feel that heat coming off this thing. That's why they getting out of the way. Feel me? Guys, I do want to do some I do want to do some mods and some things, so y'all just comment down below. I want y'all to comment what kind of mods y'all want me to do. I kind of already know some of the stuff I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna let y'all know. You know, y'all will see when the videos drop, but y'all just let me know what y'all want to see. What would you do if you owned a Camaro SS? What kind of mods would you do? Just let me know down in the comments down below. Let me know what kind of mods y'all would do. I already know what I'm gonna do, but I want to hear y'all input, you know, because y'all thoughts matter too. So, you know, but I'm really driving with no destination for real. I'm just, you know, I'm just riding around. I like doing this though. Of course, gas ain't cheap and stuff, but you know, that's okay. It's for a good cause. Oh, this road right here a little messed up. I'm gonna get caught at a red light. That's what it's looking like. Oh man, just leave me enough room so I'll be able to. Ah, crap. This light right here usually don't take that long, so hopefully it don't take that long. We about to see. I don't think it'll take that long. Okay, it's turning now. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Man, somebody got out of the car over there. Look at this dude right here, man. What are you doing? Like, riding around skied up on a little electric scooter. Little dude handling business. But yeah, man, you know, I'm just cruising around, not doing nothing too crazy. You know? So, yeah. Just enjoying the drive. But I think I'm going to top the video for right here with a pull. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe. And with that being said, we out. Peace. Woo! Boy did the dash, no cap. See you guys in the next video. Peace.